Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what the lady of the house got in the mail today. She wanted to try out this Temu, and there's a lot of people on YouTube and all trying this out across the internet, and so she thought she'd give it a try. She ordered this on the February the 17th, and today is the 25th, and we got it in the mail today. Delivered right to our porch. And this is just a trial run. She didn't want to do a big investment into it until she seen, if they were legit or not. The prices are really cheap, and on most of their stuff. And they told her that the package wouldn't be received until probably between the 1st of March and the 6th of March. But here it is, the 25th of February, and she got it. So, like I said, she kind of kept it simple. She ordered some stuff for the kitchen, like these sponges, dishwashing sponges. We have a dishwasher, but she prefers to wash by hand. And there's some washcloths, and this right here is a little box that storage thing. It opens out and got a zipper top or something on it. Let me see. She got the one-piece silicone oven mitts, heat insulated. That's these right here. There's 3 of those. And let me see. Those were $2.88 a piece. And she got the double-side washing mitts. And they were $1.18 a piece. Let's see where those were. Oh, and that's they say one piece, but that's a big pack. That's looks like about 5 of them. And let me see, these washcloths. Yeah, it's a pack of kitchen washcloths, dishcloths. They're $1.88. There's several of them in there. Some more of these sponges. And this huge pack of sponges. They got the scrub side and the regular wash side. And, she didn't order anything fancy or nothing. She's going to, she just wanted to see if everything was going to be delivered okay. None of this has been tried out yet. It was just open, a few minutes ago. And, but we just wanted to let you guys know about this Temu. She's going to kind of step up the order in the near future and maybe order something that's a little more pricier. And they have a lot of shirts, graphic t-shirts and clothes and stuff that's really well priced. And not sure. I mean, here it's already t-shirt weather. It really has always been t-shirt weather this winter. A few dips in the temps, but nothing serious. And so, anyways, I just thought I'd bring you this quick video, and thank you for stopping by, and thank you to all my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you, and I apologize again for not coming out with a video sooner. I mean, it's been a lot going on around here as usual, but I'm hoping all this will get settled down pretty soon and I can concentrate more on my channel. I got some things I'm going to be bringing to you about some work on the computer, maybe some emulation stuff that I'm trying out, and but we'll see you again real soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.